insurance premiums for years, and the one time you actually needed it, your claim was rejected. IRDAI knows this is happening, and in March 2026, they finally did something about it. But first, here's the story nobody's telling you. Last year, Indian insurance companies denied 26,000 crore worth of health insurance claims, and nearly half of all policyholders faced full or partial rejection. Not 1 in 100, not 1 in 10, but 1 in 2. But here's the number that changes everything. 4 out of every 10 rejected claims got reversed when challenged, which means your insurance company looked at your claim, a legitimate claim, and said no, not because it was invalid, but because they knew most Indians would accept the rejection and move on because they don't know what I'm about to tell you. When your claim gets rejected, you don't have to accept it, but you have the legal right to fight it in 3 steps for absolutely free. Step 1, write to your insurer's grievance cell immediately. They have 15 days to respond by law. Step 2, if they don't respond or you're not satisfied with the response, go to this website and file a complaint there. Again, another 15 days window. Step 3, when you've still gotten nothing, file with the insurance ombudsman. And no, you don't require any lawyer, no court fees, no complicated process, and it's absolutely free. They can handle claims for up to 30 lakhs, and their decision is legally binding on your insurance company. But there's more. If you have held the same health insurance policy for 5 continuous years, your insurer legally cannot reject your claim for non-disclosure unless they can prove fraud, and the burden of proof is on them, not you. Now, what did IRDAI finally do in March 2026? They passed a rule requiring every insurer to settle genuine claims within 15 days of your discharge summary. And when they miss that deadline, they owe you compound interest as penalty. So essentially, the regulator built the system to protect you, but the insurance companies were counting on you never finding out. But now you know. So share this with everyone who has health insurance because they deserve to know they don't have to accept no, and they have the right to appeal against it.